Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Live updated. Open TradingView, select a chart, and switch to the live feed. Set your time frame and alert preferences next. Use the drawing tools to mark support, resistance, and trend lines while layering indicators like RSI or EMA for confirmation. Save layouts, create watch lists, and use replay mode to practice trade ideas. I'll show quick navigation tips and how to manage alerts efficiently for fast decision-making. Connect quickly to live data, choose feeds, and customize display settings for crisp price action. Filter by exchange, symbol type, and liquidity to focus on tradable markets. Add indicators sparingly, combine one momentum and one trend tool for clearer signals, and adjust lengths to match your time frame. Set alerts on price, indicator values, or custom conditions, then test notifications on desktop and mobile. Practice with replay to refine entries and exits without risking capital. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like, it helps a lot. On another note, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned that can read alerts and stream market news for cleaner audio. It pairs with your phone and smart home to bring price alerts to any room. I put a link and other deals in the description for access and savings. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Place live orders confidently by choosing order type, size, and stop levels before sending. Use market orders for speed, limit orders for price control, and stop orders to protect gains. Calculate position size using risk per trade and stop distance, and save order templates to speed execution. Monitor fills and partial fills, adjust stops to break even when trade proves itself, and use the depth of market for high liquidity symbols to avoid slippage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.